At Barrier Group, we believe in creating safer and more accessible environments for everyone. Our tactile pads are the perfect safety solution to assist visually impaired pedestrians, guiding them in the right direction or alerting them to potential safety hazards. Tactile pads can be used in a variety of different applications, such as train stations, gyms, retail, commercial, and industrial spaces. We have a couple of different options when it comes to tactile pads and installation. We have one option that can be installed using an extra strong adhesive on the back, or one with a fixing kit and drill, which can be mounted to the surface. Depending on your application, our tactile pads come with two different tops, one for directional and one for hazard warnings. We also offer alternative directional assistance with our range of tactile bars and round warning tactiles, manufactured from durable 316 stainless steel or thermoplastic polyurethane. To learn more about our tactile range or understand how you can make your workplace or public environment safer and more accessible, get in contact with one of our account managers for a free on-site assessment or head to our website.